See, this is the reason why I do not wear makeup in the wintertime because, you know, hello, makeup is expensive. Did you know that? And also, I don't wear anything glamorous because it is cold up in this bitch. Okay. So today was the first day of my internship, and then we had to sit in this classroom for some sort of seminar, you know, in case we had any questions or concerns that we want to address. Basically to give us some tips on what to expect, what to bring, what to do, what not to do. Do you like my Wonder Woman? Ooh. They should make a movie out of her already. I already seen all three of the Batmans. Apparently there's gonna be a new Superman. I can't wait to see that remake of Carrie. That girl, Chloe girl from the Kick-Ass Hip Girl. It's gonna come out in February or March, I think. Speaking of movies, I saw Les Mis. Oh my lord. I love the movie. I mean, there was a lot of songs from the stage production that they didn't include, but it's still pretty good. I just wasn't convinced with Russell Crowe's performance as Javert, but then, you know, I fell in love with Eddie Redmayne as Marius. Oh, I think I have a new celebrity crush. Anyway, that's it for now. I dreamed a dream, he licked my pink